Okay, everyone. Today is our second session of TDS TA session, and we are going to discuss web scraping. So, first thing, I am going to start from the very scratch. So, just leave the syllabus stuff. I will try to teach how to create a very simple website because just I just asked you guys to raise the hand, and very few of them have completed Mat 1. Second thing, how to read a structure of a website. There are a lot of complex websites on the internet, and we need to scrap them. So how can we read the structure of that website? Maybe a lot of you find it very childish trick because a lot of you already completed Mad 1, but I think it is important. After we will discuss about some basics, some fundamental of web scraping, and then I will discuss on one special point, which is cookie. How to scrape a website which needs some kind of authentication or some kind of login, and then we will do some practice on real world website. I prefer Wikipedia because it is simple, at the same time it has some complicated elements. And then if we will have time, then we will try to do some more stuff. Okay, so I hope my screen is visible and my voice is very much audible. Okay, this will be
Yes, sir.
oh yeah, and please don't call me sir, I'm just a student like you, so Amit is better. Um, and this will be a hand-on session. I will take a lot of time. I will try to keep everyone on the same page. So everyone, just open your desktop or laptop or whatever you have, and just start working with me. Okay. I am gonna work from a very scratch, very scratch. Just forget everything and just follow my instructions. Okay. So first thing, we are gonna create a simple, very simple HTML website. Okay. So why HTML website? Now a question, why HTML website? Let me open a simple page. Let's say Wikipedia. Okay, Wikipedia. We all know this is a website, Wikipedia. We generally find a lot of content here. This is kind of primary source. Whenever we want to look something, we generally open Wikipedia. Okay. So here on Wikipedia, we can see all this very systematic stuff. Everything is written neat and clean. This is some table here, and some images, some neatly bold characters, some paragraph, titles, so everything. So how can we write it? Okay. So the answer is simple language which is called HTML. If you inspect it, you can find this lots of code. This is HTML. I don't know how many of you already familiar with HTML, but this is HTML. And all the websites, whatever you can see here, all the skeleton of the website is made in HTML. Okay. So let's create our own HTML website. So very simple. I am not going to use some very advanced thing. Just open your this file manager, file explorer. Okay. Inside this file manager, open any tab and just create a folder. And inside that folder, just create a simple file. Just new and a new file. Or you can do one thing. You can do one thing. Just click on this lens and write it right here. Notepad. All the computers, all the systems has Notepad by default. Okay, so just single click on it and you have this Notepad. Okay, so tell me how many of you not able to open this Notepad? Anyone is facing any problem in this Notepad stuff? I don't think so. Okay, so this is a Notepad. Now I am going to write something very easy stuff. This angular bracket, let me zoom in. This angular bracket, html html. This, let's close this bracket and let's write here AMIT Amit. Nothing else. You guys can write your name, nothing else. Then we are gonna close this bracket, HTML. Okay. So what I did, HTML is a language where we use tags. What are the tags? This thing, whatever we are gonna write in angular brackets, these are the tags. Let's talk about Wikipedia again. Look here in the inspect, and you are going to see, you will see a lot of tags here. This div, it is a tag. Okay, this main, it is a tag. You can see this angular bracket, this greater than less than sign. Okay, so these are the whatever you're going to write here. Main, division, header, style, link, all are the tags. Okay, so simply I'm just creating a simple website and I just put some tags here. The
Amit,
important thing,
you use backslash actually. It should be
sorry,
slash
sorry, sorry,
HTML to
sorry.
close,
It
right?
is simple slash. Thanks, thanks. I think Shayan, I recognize your voice. Okay. So
Yeah.
the thing is, whenever we open a tag, okay, whenever we open a tag, we need to close it. Okay. Simple slash, and we need to close it. Okay. So whatever we write here, let's say my tag is open. I don't know if there is any tag open, but we need to open a tag. Then we need to close it with a simple slash. Okay. So this is stuff here. Now do one thing. Let's save this file. Click on the file and save. You can choose any folder of your choice. I already have a folder named TDS, so I'm gonna put it there, and I'm gonna give it a name. Now I'm gonna play some important trick here. Not the trick. This is a procedure. Let's call it first first dot html. This is the important part. Dot html. Initially, my text file was in the format of txt, which is simply text format. The extension was txt. Now I changed my extension. It is dot html, and I am gonna save it. Save. Okay. Minimize it and let's see if it is there. Yes, it is here. First dot html. As you can see, I just created it 817. First, tell me if anyone is facing problem at this point. I did nothing. Open a notepad, type only three words HTML, my name. You can write anything. You can write anything. And then I close this tag with a simple slash and the same tag HTML. Okay. And then I save it. Saving is the important thing. I changed the extension. Initially, extension was .txt. I changed it. I write it .html. Anyone who is facing the problem, just tell me. You guys can speak freely. I hope everyone is able to follow me till this point. Okay. Okay. Now. I'm just gonna click. As you guys can see, you can see some kind of Opera sign because I am using Opera browser, and also that if you are looking at the type, you can see web document. Let's double click on it, and yeah, this is my first HTML website. See, automatically my browser opened it, and you can see this is the content which I wrote here. Amit. So this is my first website. This is your first website. If I am gonna inspect the element, see, I'm gonna inspect its element, and I will find the same thing, exactly the same thing which I wrote here. Maybe you will see some different text, but okay, leave it. Maybe you are gonna say, okay, I mean, there is some head, there is some body and stuff. Okay, we will discuss it. But the main content, HTML, and this content body is the same. Okay, just tell me if you guys are able to follow it, or if you guys have any doubt, please ask. Or you guys can show me your thumbs up, or just open your mic and say that you guys are able to follow it. Or anyone who is have doubt. Shall I ask your name? Abhishek, Aditya, Amit, Amrita. Are you guys done?
Yes.
Nice. Anwar, Carlton. Okay, Carlton is here. Divyam, Diksha. One more. Acha, oh, this Amita. I thought one more Amit. We have three Amit. Okay, no, Amita. Harshita, Krishna, Lalu Prashant, Mami Dikuntla. Maybe I butchered your name. You can open your mic and tell me how to pronounce your name if you like. Madhuresh, Naren, Priyanka, Ravina, Shayan, Samir, Shyam, Shikhashri, Swapnil. Okay, so everyone on the same page. Okay, let's spice our website. You are gonna say, Amit, this Wikipedia seems very heavy, lot of script, lot of stuff, but our site is so plain, so boring. What can we do? Let's spice up the thing. So so the thing is, I am not going to tell you how to create a whole HTML website. There are lots of awesome resources on the internet. You can use them. There is one very good HTML W3 school, W3, not W3C. HTML W3 school. This is my go-to website for any tutorial for either it's HTML, Python, or JavaScript. This is really good website. You guys better check it. I'm going to copy paste the resource link here. Now let's add something little bit something more in our this this small website. Now let's talk a little bit about the structure. We generally use We always, not generally, we always use this HTML before writing any code, our HTML code. As you can see, HTML start, HTML close. Okay, we need to write this code. So this is our main. You can say this is our main heading. Inside HTML, there are two things. First thing is head. It is for header. So it is a good practice. Whenever you write any tag, you better close it at the same time. Okay. This is my first important subheading. You can say sub portion. And second important sub portion is body. Once again, it's a really good practice to open a tag and close a tag at the same time. Okay. So whatever I'm going to write in my head, it will show here like this HTML tutorial. So I'm going to write it here. Let's write it TDS demo site. Okay. And inside body, I can write whatever I want. Okay. Inside body, I can write whatever I want, whatever you guys want
Hello
to.
world.
Okay. Hello world. Perfect. Hello WORLD world. Let's write a little bit more things. Hello world. Uh, we are discussing TDS. Okay, simple. And now I'm going to save it. Control S. Okay. So what happened when I press Control S? It will not create another page. It will just update it. It will save the my whole content on the same file. Basic stuff. And now I'm going to refresh it. Just look carefully. Okay. So I just refresh it and TDS demo site. So it is here, TDS demo site. Hello world, we are discussing TDS. So stuff is here. So this is a good source. And I want to change this first .html. So how can I do it? I can give it a title. Okay. So inside header, I'm going to create a title, title title, and I'm going to close it. Close title title. Okay. Once again, save it and let's refresh it. And you can see something good. Now this part, this tab, this I have a title here. Okay. So just tell me if you guys are following here. Just do it with me. Okay. Okay. I hope everyone is on the same page. Okay. So now just let's spice up things a little bit. These tags are really important. So why these tags are important? Because whenever we are gonna scrape our website, we will look all these tags. We will scrape. We will find information on the basis of these tags. Okay. So once again, our resource and we understand about HTML. We understand about title and head. Let's talk a little bit about this H1. This is really important. See, whenever we need to give some kind of titles or heading, we use H1 to H6. Let's talk about it. First is H1. Okay. And open it and close it. Then we have six type of these titles, H1 to H6. H1 is largest and H6 is smallest. Let's have H2. Let's call it H2 only. And now I am not going to type everything, so let me jump on H6, which is the smallest. H6. Okay, let me save it and refresh it. Now you can see hello world. This is H1. As you guys can see, this is the largest size, biggest size. Then H2, which is smaller than H1. Then H6. What if I'm going to use S7? H7. Save it and refresh it. Nothing happened. S7 is same. I mean, it is just the same plain text. Okay, nothing. So HS7 is not relevant. Okay, now you guys can ask, "Hey, what is
Hello,
this?"
Vidya.
Yeah, yeah. Please ask. Someone was about to say something. What happened? Okay, okay. Let's talk about this thing. When I'm refreshing it, you can see S7 or we are discussing TDS in the same line, but I just give it a one enter here. So in HTML, you need to define the enter. So you can say it BR, which means break. And there are some tags where you there is no need to close them. You need to close title, you need to close head, body, and stuff, but no need to close BR. Okay, see, just save it and refresh it, and you can see I have a break. I have a space that enter the new line here. Okay, I hope it is clear. If anyone has any question, you guys can ask. No query. Okay, so let's talk about a few more tags in HTML. Okay, there is one important tag which is P for paragraph. So the thing is, whenever you need to write a long paragraph, let's look into the Wikipedia page. Whenever you need to write a lot of things, then you generally use P. So what is the P? P is just a paragraph. Okay, it just define one paragraph, second paragraph. See, when I will bring my cursor here, you can see it is denoting the paragraph. First paragraph, then here this is a whole different paragraph. This one is different paragraph. So P is an important tag. Second tag is image. Let's see. There is an image tag. There is an anchor tag, which we use for any website link. Okay, it is not here, but we can find. We can just okay. Here is link. This is the link. Okay, so for link we use a tag, which means anchor tag. So what happened? Okay, let me show you first. So let's enter a link here inside body. So we use a tag, anchor a, and as I'm saying, whenever you create a tag, just close it. And inside a tag, we need to give the reference. Give which website I want to open. So href, as you guys can see here, href, and then I need to give a URL. Let's say this URL. Copy and just paste. Paste inside the double quote. Okay, and then after giving this URL, you can give any text here. Let's say click here. Okay, save and refresh. See, you guys just see this uh, something new here, which is saying click here. As soon as I'm gonna click it, I will find this website, and that's the link which I have given. Okay, so this is important link, important tag. You will see it a lot of time. And I think there is one more image. Image is important. So for image, we need to give img. And as you guys can see, image is not a tag which you need to close. Okay, so let's talk about the image. So for the image, just type img, but only giving the image name is not enough. You need to give the source, src source. So there are two methods that I can give an image. First thing, let's talk here. This is the image. This is the image. Okay. Let's pick this image, Taj Mahal. I can open this image in a new tab and see this is the link for this specific image. So I can do one thing. I can just copy this link and insert it inside my here as a source. Okay, and I can close this tab, image tab, and I can just save it and refresh my site. See, I just give the link of this online image, and you guys can see it here. Very neat. Okay, second method, I can save a image and then I can give its link. So let's save an image. Let's pick an image. Okay, Pikachu. Let's pick this image of Pikachu. I just choose Pikachu because we need to discuss that Pokemon API. So Pikachu is a very popular Pokemon. So I'm gonna save it. Now the important part. Now the important part. If you want to display a image which is saved in your system in your computer, then you need to save that image in the same folder where you have your HTML file. Okay, see here. I just saved this Pikachu image in the same folder where my HTML file is staying. Okay, so download.jpg. Just remember this name, and let me create this image tag here. img src dow and load download.jpg. Okay, this is the same name, the name of the file, download.jpg, and just close it and save it and refresh it. Let's see. Yes, yes, yes. I have a Pikachu here. I have a Pikachu here. So these few things are really, really important, which I consider really important for the web scraping, and I hope everyone is fine. Everyone know how to use it now. Okay, you guys can ask me a question. Can we skip if we know the HTML stuff? Yeah, you can skip for a few minutes. Yeah, Priyanka, we are going to do the same thing today. Lecture that one is uploaded on the portal and the optional lectures. Yeah, we are going to do the same thing. In fact, those lectures are quite detailed. I'm just going to do some hand-on practice. Okay. Uh, so tell me, are you guys able to follow it here? Yeah, Krishna, you can ask. No need to raise your hand. You guys can see it. Directly ask.
Actually, I don't know anything about HTML. So, will it
That's
be
why.
too
That's
tough
why
for
I'm
me,
just.
or is it okay? I can manage. Means with
That's
this.
why. That's why I'm discussing HTML from the very scratch. Are you following me, Krishna? I mean, are you doing this thing side by side with me?
Oh, no, no, no. Actually, I have only one screen. Okay, I have to do side by side. Is it okay?
Yeah,
Maybe I
yeah,
will
yeah. Please do
do
it side by
it.
side. This is my okay. So once again, anyone, first thing, no need to hesitate asking any question. I'm just a student like you. I also make a lot of mistakes, so you guys can ask anything. Second thing, Krishna. So are you following me from the start? I mean, you hear whatever I say.
I joined 8:15, 8:15, 8:20 I joined.
Okay,
Okay,
so
but anyway, I can catch it up from YouTube. But is this very much mandatory? Means uh,
yes, this is
okay,
important. This is
okay,
mandatory.
okay. So I should.
Otherwise, you will not able to do web scraping.
Okay. That's
Okay,
what my
so
question was.
this is important. This is important
Okay,
stuff.
okay, okay, okay.
Krishna, so let me give a recap. Let me give a recap. So the thing is, once again, let me give a recap. So whenever we look at the any website, okay, so this is the output. This is not the actual code. So what is the actual code behind any website? So behind any website, there are three important languages which made any website. First is HTML, which create kind of skeleton. You can create a whole website only in HTML. Then there comes some styling, some denting, painting, some beautiful type of stuff. So we need CSS for it. Third thing about the functionality. Whenever we are clicking something, some window pop up, or whenever we enter something, and that stuff, whatever we are entering, is registered somewhere. So for it, we use JavaScript. Okay. So my concern is HTML. So when you look at the website, you see this is the HTML. HTML. Okay. Lot of tags, head, body. These are called tags. Whatever you see inside this angular bracket, this angular bracket. Let me make one more. This angular bracket. Okay. Whatever you look inside this angular bracket, these are the tags. I just write this code, simple code, and you can see lot of angular bracket. The important thing for the HTML is whenever we open a bracket, we need to close it. I open a bracket here, HTML, and I closed it here with a this simple slash. I open a bracket, title here, head here, and I close it here. I open a bracket title here and I close it here. Okay, this is by body tag, and I open this body tag there and I close it here. Okay, so this is the important thing for the HTML. HTML is very much structured because we use these tags. Okay, so for making any HTML website, just anyone who's just late and not don't know what HTML, just click on this lens mark, write notepad. Krishnan, you better follow me. Write notepad
Yes,
here.
yes.
Yeah, write here notepad. Open your notepad and just write simple HTML.
1 minute.
Open it. Yeah.
No.
Anyone else, if not able to
Notepad
follow,
plus plus or only not?
your choice. I am just keeping Notepad simple because you need to download Notepad plus plus. So
Okay,
yeah.
okay, okay.
So I am just using Notepad, simple Notepad, very
Hmm.
basic. Okay. Or everyone else who just missed something, and for the other guys, you guys need to wait a little bit. Vedant, sir, please reply. You can open simply. You can open your mic and ask me the question. Sir, I didn't understand anything from
No,
professor
one
lecture.
small thing can we do hands-on. Just I open Notepad, then I type the in that arrow mark I have typed HTML.
Yes. See, once you open a tag, you need to close it. So if there is something HTML, you would also need to close it with another HTML with a slash. Okay.
Okay, this I understood. Slash is to end. Hmm?
Yes. Yes. Okay. So just do one thing. Ignore everything. Just write. See, follow me here. Just write. Just forget the below code. Just write this HTML and close it at the same time. HTML. Okay. Then inside here, just type your name. Krishnan. Okay, Krishnan or Krishna. Your name. Maybe I misspelling it. Okay.
No.
Okay.
I am also doing along with you.
Yeah. And then you better save it. Control S. Click Control S and save it. But it will ask for to rename it. Or maybe better thing, Krishna. You can open your screen and show all of us.
Okay, I will do that. 1 minute.
Okay, Vedant is asking some questions, sir. I didn't understand this first. Don't call me, sir. And second thing, Professor Lecture, they were just read everything. A person who just completed his Python from the foundation, how can he cover that stuff? That's what I
I
am.
have
That's
to
why.
share the screen.
Yeah, Krishna, you can share your screen. Vedant, that's why I am just try to cover everything from the scratch, and Carton is doing the same. Yeah, there is a recorded lecture. I just recorded it last term at the very bottom. It is titled as the optional, but it is. I suggest to watch it first. Okay, Krishna, you can show me your screen so we can discuss. Or anyone who is not able to
Uh,
follow. You guys can speak up. Okay.
is it visible now?
Yes, it is visible. Nice. Yes, very good, Krishna.
Okay, now what I have to do?
You need to save it. So how to save a file? Okay. Or the better trick, just press Control S. Okay. Now look here carefully. You need to give a file name. First, you need to select a proper folder where you can keep your file and you never lost it. Something like that. It's better to not show all the stuff from your laptop to in a public place. But okay, fine.
Okay. I will
Okay,
stop.
it's fine.
Okay.
Anyone else having problem in HTML? So everyone is expert in HTML, huh?
If not expert, at least we have studied, sir. But what does the poll says? How many are new to HTML out of 21 year and
Okay.
2 years, 19 people are there, and how many does not know HTML?
You guys can raise your hand if you
No,
guys
there
want
was
to.
I
a
don't know
poll
anything, ma.
specified.
It's fine,
Carlton
Krishna. It's fine.
sent one poll.
Carton.
Replied.
Yeah,
Okay.
how
So
many
what's
does not know? I mean, just to know the population.
okay? So there is only 6 votes. You guys can.
Now, how many told no?
So far, am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
Carlton.
Carton. Loud and clear.
Okay, so the live poll shows that only 6 votes have been cast out of 21. So,
Come on, guys. Why so dumb, huh?
How many knows? How many knows? I mean, is it possible to?
so right now it's 8 votes. Unless more people vote, I'm not happy to disclose all that information. So, if more people vote, then it would be meaningful.
Yeah,
Come on,
please,
everyone. Please
everyone,
vote.
please take a minute and vote and complete by, so that we'll know.
Yeah, and you have to go to the if you don't know how to go to polls, it's on the bottom right corner and under activities, and then you can go there and just vote.
Yeah. You guys can see some triangle, square, and circle, some weird shapes there. Just click on it. You will find a poll there with a green ballot type of icon. Click here and just cast your vote. Every
So
vote matters. Yeah.
So there's 12 votes now, 13 votes.
Dr. Amita is saying, I don't know HTML. It's fine, Amita.
No.
So
So
I
where
would.
I can poll?
Yeah,
Everyone
you
should
poll.
poll.
So at the moment, more than a third of the students do not know HTML.
Okay, Carton,
That's
can you declare the result? What's the result of the poll?
There are 15 votes. 9 people know HTML and 6 do not. So
Okay. So, man, I'm with the minority. So let's discuss HTML a little bit more. Krishna.
Yeah.
So what's your condition? What's your situation, man? Are you able to run the your first HTML website?
Yeah. I will share now.
Yeah, man.
I have saved it.
Shayan is cracking jokes. You guys
Okay.
can also
Now
open your camera, or not camera, your mic, and you can speak. I mean, oh wait, this session is recorded. Okay, we can discuss later.
is it visible?
Yes, Krishna.
Okay. Now what I have to do?
You saved it.
Yeah, I have saved it.
Okay. So just show me how you save it. Show me that folder where you save this file, this HTML file.
Here.
Okay. And there is a problem. You save it as a text format. Okay.
Okay.
Just right click on that file, move your cursor to the file, right click on it, move your cursor to the file, that file which you can see there, HTML_lesson.
Okay.
Right click on it and rename it.
Okay.
Yeah, just rename it. .html. Put .html there. Now save it. Hey, it is not working. Wait. You also need to change the text document, that thing. Okay. Just go there at the bottom.
What I have to do?
Why this language is a little bit different?
Yeah. Some little different. Yes. Okay. I will change the language later.
No, it's fine. You know other language than Hindi, than English?
No. I am okay. That it has been loaded like that. I will change that little
It's
later.
fine. Fine. You just, my only concern is you better run your HTML file.
Okay.
Just do one thing. I'm very sorry to interrupt. Just open the file and do save as, and then try to save the file at the same location again with the HTML thing.
With HTML,
Yeah.
is it? Where here I have to type HTML?
Yeah, just type HTML, save it. I think it will be fine.
Just do one thing. Just choose some other name. Actually, just choose some other name.
Yes,
HTML_lesson 1. Just do one.
Or
over there, something
lesson
else.
or test. Yes, fine. .html.
Okay.
Yeah, and save it. Okay, just once again open that folder. Okay, now there is some change. Okay, now you can see some browser logo on it. Okay, so you better delete your first file. So everyone just remember, whenever you are going to save your HTML file, your extension must be .html. Okay, now you can. Okay, we have one more Shayan Bhaumik, Shayan Vishwas. Nice. Okay, just show your folder. Yeah, now click on it. Single click or double click on it. See, now it's in your browser. It's your HTML file. It's your website. Okay. So that's the thing. Now you can stop sharing your screen. So that's the thing. There are a lot of and inside that HTML there are a lot of tags, different tags for image, different tag for link.
Okay.
Okay, so I am sharing my screen. So I hope everyone is very much clear about the HTML. Okay, how to create a HTML file and what are the tags. Okay. If anyone has any question, you guys can ask. Then I will proceed to how to inspect a website, how to inspect the elements of the website. Okay. If anyone has any question, please ask. No question? Shivani, sorry, I just joined. What are we doing? We are understanding about HTML, how to understand the website structure, and then we are going to do some web scraping. Hand-on session. Okay. Okay, so I hope that everyone on the same page till this point. So let's remove this website. I don't need it anymore. Let's inspect any website. Let's inspect this website. So how can you inspect any website? Right click here and press inspect element button. In some browser you can see a developer tool, or you can see simple inspect. Somewhere you can see inspect element. I am using Opera. Here it's inspect element. Just click on it, and you can see some stuff here. Okay, thank you, sir. No need to call me sir. I'm just a student. Amit is fine. Okay, now let's discuss this code little bit. Okay, uh, I hope it's little bit. Yeah. Okay. So first thing, as you guys can see, since this website is very complex, you can see our website was very simple, just one or two lines there. This website is quite complex. You can see some images, some this responsive button, some colorful stuff, some this navigation bar. So all things are here. Let's talk about this website. We always use HTML tag at the start and at the bottom. You will see HTML tag at the very start and at the very end. We have two main subsections. First is about title, about head. Inside head, we generally have title. As you can see, HTML tutorial, same title. We have some meta detail. This is some kind of background detail of your code and stuff. You can ignore it for now. Okay. Then you can jump on the body thing, and you can also see this style thing. Style thing, as I was saying, style is for the beautifying your HTML page, beautifying your website. So you can see here CSS. Okay. Then we have this body content. So this is the body content. Inside body content, you will find all the familiar tags which we were discussing. Let's look for some anchor tag. Okay. So let's look for some anchor tag here, maybe here. This is C H2 tag. So how many of you know about the H2 tag? You guys know now. This is about the heading. Easy learning with HTML. So you can see this is here. Some P tag, and there may be some anchor tag also. Let me check. Yeah, start HTML quiz. It's here. See this anchor tag ahref. This is the web address. This is simple language start HTML quiz, and there must be somewhere image tag also. This is the image. Let's find it. See image image tag, and this is the source of the image. For now, you can ignore this ID loading stuff. Just pay attention on this main tag, and there is some link for it. SRC source. Okay. Okay, there is one more thing which I want to discuss. That's table, because you guys are gonna use it very soon. Okay, so let me work on this table stuff. See, we can create any table inside our HTML stuff. So our HTML website. So let's look for the table. Okay, here HTML table. So how can we create a table? For creating a table, first thing we need is table title, table tag. See, we are gonna open it and we are gonna close it. Inside table tag, we work row by row. Okay, let me talk a little bit more about it. So when we talk about the table, so how can we create a table? First thing we need to write table, table. Pardon my bad handwriting. So when we write this table tag and we close it here, okay, yes, table. So what happened? My HTML assigns some area for table. Just consider it. Okay, my HTML code know. Okay, there will be a table. Inside table, I need to define rows. How can I define rows? Tr. So this is my first tr, and let me close it tr. So what happened when I wrote this tr? My HTML table itself become a single row table. Okay, it become a single row table. When I wrote another tr, let me write another row, or let me try to copy paste this thing. Copy and paste. Yeah, I can do it. Let's minimize it if I. Okay. Okay. So when I write second tr, so what happened? This table is divided into two rows. Here is the pen. And I will have two rows, row number 1 and row number 2. So if you're going to add more TR element, let's say 3 or 5 TR, let's say dot 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 5, total 5 TR, then it will divide it into 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's say 5. Okay, so it will divide it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope it is clear. So uh, let's look here. I saw somewhere like table thing. This looks like a table. Just look here, okay? Just try to understand. Here, table class. Pay attention. Table class. Then here is the table body. Okay. So inside table body, you guys can see there are some TR stuff. So just let me click on one TR stuff. This TR. Okay. And is it highlighted? It is not shown. Yes, yes. See, when I bring my cursor here, this TR, you can see only one row was highlighted here. When I'm gonna click on another TR, it will show the another row is highlighted. Okay, so each TR show me a row. Inside that TR, we have another element which is known as TD. Okay, so what is TD? TD means table data. So we can add table data. So what happened when I wrote TD here? It will create a column. For now, since there is only one TD, which means whole row is a column. If I'm going to write 2 TD, let me close it, TD, then it means I have 2 columns here. Okay. So important thing inside table, if you're looking for a specific information, let me explain a little bit more. If I am looking for this specific information, Sikhism, then how can I reach here? First thing, I need to find something called T table. Okay, first thing I need to find something called table. Inside table, I need to find this specific row. Okay, then I need to go inside the row tab. Here is the row. Then inside that row, I need to find some specific TD, table data. Okay, now here is one more thing, LI. This is list. I will explain it. No need to confuse. So I better do it here. Okay, so I better do it here. If anyone else know about table, maybe you guys, anyone else want to explain, you guys can type this whole table stuff and show your screen. Maybe Shayan or Naren, anyone want to volunteer? No? Okay, then I need to continue. But if anyone want to show some skills, show something, then you guys can uh, do it here. Okay, let me open my this old website and let's work here. Are you guys able to understand anything, or I am just babbling stuff here? Huh? I mean, you guys can speak, open your mic.
No, table, we are every time we are opening one arrow and closing the arrow. Can we not do it into 5, into 10 like that? 10 rows will come. Like that, we cannot do.
So
Each
that,
row we are doing, right? We cannot do it
yes.
a little bit more in one go.
You can actually. You can actually. If you do it in VS Code, you can actually. Let's say you want 5 table tags. So you do table into 5. So there would be 5 table tags. Or table row, you want 10. So in VS Code, you can. But in Notepad, I'm not sure if we can.
No, we cannot do it.
So we can
And also
for
one,
loop.
yeah, we can use for loop. So my only purpose is to just teach the very basic HTML. Yeah, we
Okay.
can create, and also we can use there are something called Ginger templates, so we can also use it. And also the important thing, if you guys are using VS Code, then there is no need to close a tag because it automatically close any tag. Okay, so for now let's discuss in the very basic layman manner. Okay, so let me create a table. So I need to close it once again. If you are working in VS Code, then no need to close it. It's do it itself. Then inside this table, I am just creating 2 or 3 tr. Okay, I just open it and close it here to save time. Let me copy paste it very fast. Now I have 3 tr, which means table row. In the first tier, I'm just gonna write something very normal. Let's say 1 two. Oh, something. Okay, sorry. TWO2 and just 3. THR3. Let me save it and refresh it. Oh, it's not showing. Why? First, let me give some VR here. Okay, it is just. Okay,
You need
let
to
me
give
use
TD, right?
TD. Yeah, then let me give TD. Inside TR, I'm giving this TD. TD stands for table data, so I need to give this thing here. Okay, let's save it and run it. Yeah, now you can see something, some little bit better. 1, 2, 3. But still, I don't know if it is a table order or not. So just pay attention. Let me write it in separate lines. So I have 3 rows. You guys can see there are 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. Now I want something more inside this 3 row. Okay, let's say 2 columns. So how can I achieve 2 column stuff? So see this TD. I'm gonna give few more time. Okay, let's call one, and in Hindi it is known as ek. We call one ek, and here is one in numerical. This is two. Let me type here. Two, we call two in Hindi do, and in numerical it is two. And three we call teen in Hindi. Hindi is my native language, so just this is simplest thing which can come in my mind. Now save it. Okay, anyone want to guess what will be the structure of my table now? I don't want Cheyenne to answer because Cheyenne knows stuff. I don't want Nareen. Anyone else? Anyone else? What you guys can predict? What's the shape of my table?
It will be a 3x3 matrix.
Yeah, nice. Let's not use matrix and high and mighty words. Just simple 3 by 3 table. It will have 3 rows and 3 columns. As you guys can see, 1, 2, 3 rows and 1, 2, 3 columns. I hope everything is clear now. One more thing. I want to show something. It is called list. Okay, let me discuss list because you are gonna see list a lot of time. List is li. No, not li. It is ul. There are 2 type of list. One is ul, which means unordered list. We need to open it and we need to close it. Okay, and other thing is ol, which means ordered list. Ol. Let me open it and let me close it. Inside ul or ol, whatever you want, we can give list stuff, any element with the help of li. And let me write some names here. Okay, now I know few of you, so let me write some names. I know Shayan is there, Sayan. I know Naren, Naryan Naren, and I know other person is Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. Okay, let me copy paste the same stuff here. Let's save it and run it. See, so these are the list. The difference is this is ul, unordered list. So you can see simple bullets, Shayan, Nareen, Krishna. And this is ol, ordered list. So it automatically retrieves some number 1, 2, 3. I don't know from where. This is automatic stuff. We can give list inside a list. Okay. So how can we do it? See, this list, I'm just going to copy it and I'm going to put it inside this list after Cheyenne here. So I need to give it as a, so just pay attention. Okay, let me, okay, I cannot do it here. Okay, so just pay attention a little bit. What I did, indentations are really helpful. When you guys are going to write this code in VS Code, it will be really helpful. Just look at here. This is something interesting. This is my first. That's how you are going to read the HTML structure. This is my whole code, big code. You can say big unordered list. Inside this big unordered list, I have 3 list elements. One is Shayan, one is Naren, one is Krishna. But there is something else. Inside this Shayan element, I have one more list. So you can say nested. Okay, nested list. And this list is This is the whole list which is unordered. Okay, this was ordered, this is unordered, and inside this unordered list, let's have only two elements, Shayan and Naren. Let me save it. Anyone want to predict what will be the structure of my list? Anyone? No volunteer? Okay, let me refresh. Here, see. Now, see, is it making any sense? Are you guys able to read this HTML part? Reading it is important. Ordered list, Shayan, Naren, Krishna, three elements, Shayan, Naren, Krishna. Inside Shayan element, I have one unordered list, which is Shayan and Naren. So this is inside Shayan, I have unordered list, which is Shayan and Naren. So the thing is, what I want to express here, your HTML website may be very simple looking. As you can see this website, this is very, very, very simple looking website. Huh? But inside it, if you're gonna work on the scraping, then code may be very confusing. And you need a good practice. You need to know how to read a HTML code. Now you guys
Here, when you did the table, no, like Word and Excel and all, we can put borders, right? So
Yes.
that we can easily we can see row and column.
Yes.
Now, if I want to read 1A1, so whether it is a sentence or a row, how to differentiate? We have to go.
We can do one thing here. We can just here in the tag, we can do some styling. We can enable the border. Okay. So either we can do it in CSS, or we can just write here border. So I think we need to write just simple. Let me check. I think it's solid border.
It's just border equals 1. It's border equals 1.
Equals
If you give it
border equals 1. 1 means 1 pixel. It will show me 1 pixel thick border. Save and let me refresh. See. Okay. And this one represent pixel, so I can make it very thick, 5. Save and refresh. Now you can see my border is quite thick. Okay. So these are the styling elements. You can add lot of element. This is we called it attribute. Okay, we can add lot of attribute in every of my tags. I can style every tag while giving them some attribute. Okay, so this stuff is not that important. I mean, it's good for knowledge, but not that important. Okay, so I hope that you guys can look at this HTML code and you guys can find which element is related to which part of this website. Is it clear or not? Everyone, please just. You guys can show me thumbs up or.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. Madhuresh, please don't call me sir. I'm just okay, whatever your choice.
It's my habit. Sorry.
It's fine, man. I'm just a student like you. Okay. Sir sounds very high and mighty.
Amit, you'll have to repeat that sentence throughout this course because it has become a practice, no? Like whoever is teaching this.
Come on, Naren.
It's a compliment and continue. That will be better.
Okay. Okay. So
you better record something somewhere and you play the recorder whenever somebody says that.
Okay, that's a nice idea. But okay, okay, guys. So let me check the messages. Meanwhile, you guys can run it. Anyone like Krishna or anyone else. No, I'm not specifically pointing towards Krishna, but anyone else who is a little bit weak in HTML, you guys can. Let me read the messages if there is anything important. Carton is here, so Carton is giving the answer. Vedant, you can also teach us about API. Yeah, we will try. I mean, definitely. Okay. So let's move forward. Or you guys want to discuss anything about the HTML? If you guys have any question in HTML, I better suggest you to go this resource and do a little bit of self-study. Okay.
Amit, one thing.
Yes, please.
This is my first session for this subject. How to approach this subject in 2020 format? I don't want to it's a lengthy way, just concise way. What topics I have to concentrate? What like that? Can you tell me?
Okay. I will discuss this stuff after later. I close the recording.
Yeah. Okay. Yes.
Okay. But just tell me, remind me, and we will discuss it. Okay, so now let's talk about how to inspect a website. Okay, from the very scratch. You guys can close this website if you want. From the very scratch, I have this website. I work in a company, and my boss just give me a work. Okay, Amit, just try to understand the HTML structure of this website. So what can I do? Or you guys can say that you know this website very well, that's why you are talking about it. You guys can give any website and underlying structures will be seen. Okay, I just click here, Magat. Okay, so when it's come to the inspection, you guys can do with me. Okay, click, right click, and there is something called inspect element. I am using Opera browser, so it's here inspect element. In lots of browser, it may be inspect, it may be developer tool, or simple inspect of whatever it is. Click here, and it will divide your screen into two half, and you will see this stuff here. So now, since you guys are very much familiar with HTML, so you can see, yeah, there are some familiar tags: HTML, body class, division. Division is very popular, very common tag. Whenever we need to separate our content in different portions and different divisions, then we use this division stuff. Okay, now I want to see where is this part, this history part. So how I am gonna do it? Shall I check all the division content? No. Here, this is something copy select type of thing. Click here, it will turn blue and bring it on any place you want. Let's say here. And when you click it here, you will find there is one tag which is highlighted now. And you can see, okay, this is P tag. What is the meaning of the P tag? Who's gonna tell me? Not Shen, not Naren. Anyone else? Not Carlton also.
Paragraph time.
Paragraph.
Nice, nice. Just tell me your name, man, so I can recognize your voice.
Aditya.
Aditya, and who's the second guy?
It's me, Lalu Prasan, sir.
Okay, nice, Prashant. Okay, so oh, please don't call me sir. Okay, it's fine. Whatever you want. Okay, when you click on the when I see this is a P tag, I realize, okay, yeah, this is about the paragraph, and this is indeed about the paragraph. You can see this is the paragraph sum to like Vedic rituals. Let's click here, and I can see some scholars have identified the kikata, and you can see this kikata is a link. So here Kikata is given in the format of link, reference towards Kikata kingdom. So either I can click here or either I can find the link here. And what is the link word? Word is Kikata. So word is given here. Is it clear? Is it making some sense? Now you guys can read this very confusing HTML stuff. Let's read more. Tribe mentioned in the Rigved. Rigved is once again a link. So you can see it is written in the anchor tag. And see, so now you can read it better. I want to check about this picture. So once again, click here, bring it on the picture. You will find something blue. Image source. Now you know how to read it. This is image. It is telling about the source, and you can see width 350, height 280. It is about the specifications of image. So let me do one interesting thing. Let me do something stupid. Okay. Okay, I can change it. Let me try to change it. 35. Let me play some comedy here. 35. Okay, okay. It is gone. It is gone because I just changed its pixel size. It must be somewhere there, but which I cannot see. 35 is very small. So let me. So you guys can change even the website. I mean, see, 3500. Let me try. Okay, it is quite huge now. Let me do something else. Let me play something and let me where is it? Let me change this history part. I don't like this history. I was never good in history. So let me change this history, and I'm gonna see, this is the history. I'm gonna call it TDS class. Let me enter. Whoa, I just changed it in the TDS class. So what do you guys think? I hacked the Wikipedia? No, because when I am gonna refresh it, it will be back to normal history. Okay. So I hope you guys got the idea how this stuff works. This stuff is fun. You guys can do it for fun. Okay. In fact, you can change if you are gonna change this link. If you are gonna change this link, you can even change the image. This SRC source link. You can even change the source link, and you can put any image you want. Let's talk about this inspect element, and here is this image. I give it the link. So let me copy paste this link. Okay. Okay, let me copy paste this link, and you guys can also do it. I mean, in your system. I just copy this link, copy, and let me paste it here. Paste and enter. Is it not working? Where is it? Okay, maybe I missed something. Okay, leave it. But yeah, we can change it. The thing is, we can change it. Okay. Okay. Not able to change it now, but yeah, we can change it. Okay, so I hope all of you guys know how to inspect anything in your website. Now you guys better open the website and just pick anything. Let's say you guys just pick this word accepting and try to find it in your page. Just or you can open here is the link, or you can open any website and you just try to find any specific word or any specific element. So just check your skill whether you guys can find it or not, and tell me if you guys are not able to find it. If anyone want to share their screen, then you guys can share. Okay, just find any word, just accepting or any image link. Just try to find it. Okay, this is just 3 minutes of game. I'm gonna stop my screen, and you guys can share your screen. You guys want to open your mic, you guys can discuss. Okay, so anyone is able to find whatever they are he or she is desiring. Anyone? Come on, man, show some response here, or I'm gonna ask your name. Okay, let's call Aditya, Amit, Amrita. What about you guys? Able to pinpoint?
I've
Yes.
understood a lot of things like what you have mentioned. I'm not able to do hands-on right now, but I've understood most of the things how you have done Wikipedia pe whatever you have searched, how you have searched paragraph, body, how to write it. That I've followed everything.
Okay, so you got everything. You
Yeah,
have any doubt?
not yet, not yet.
Nice, nice, nice. Soon you will have some doubts. What about Aditya and Amit? Anwar, Carlton. Okay, Carlton, not you, Carlton.
I also understood everything since I've taken up Med 1 previously.
Oh, okay, then you
So,
are pro.
not a pro.
Okay, what about Amita, Jia, Krishna, and Prashant, Madhuresh, Naren? Come on, man, you guys open your mic, show some energy.
Yeah, it's working for us.
Okay, anyone? Okay, anyone has any doubt?
No, not yet.
Okay, Carton is here. You know, guys, Carton was last time. The Carton was a student of TDS, and I was a TA, so I still think Carton as a student. So I just mistakenly call his name. Okay,
Amit, my question was
yes, Sahil.
when I go on the Wikipedia and want to replace the word,
Mhm.
such as in link I am trying, I
Uh-huh.
just went to that link, can't replace that.
Okay, try to click on it one time, two time, three time. Okay, I mean sometimes it's work. You need to just click on the two time, and you will find a cursor there, that pointer. Okay, then you can replace it. I mean there is no trick. You just need to click on it, and you need to find when it's work. It depend browser by browser. Okay, just try it. If not, then show you can show your screen. Okay, what about other? Priyanka, Shayan already know it. Shivani, Shyam, Shiksha, Shri, Smriti, Swapnil, and Vedant. Are you guys able to do it?
So we have to change the image or the text actually.
It's totally up to you. My only purpose is you guys able to understand how to inspect element, how to pinpoint whatever you want to find. So
Okay.
it's totally up to you. If you want to change the text, you can change the text. If you want to change the image, just replace that link there.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Priyanka, no, she watched already my session. Thanks, man. Give it a like on the YouTube, though it's not my channel. Smriti, clear, sir. Please don't call me sir. Need to practice on my own. Okay, practice, practice. Okay, guys, next level, next level. Do some scrapping. Okay. So why doing scrapping? Why should we do scrap? Okay. So the thing is, there is one website which I want to share you guys about WRLT World Meetup. This website was quite popular during Corona time. So it has two important things. One is population.
Actually, the screen is not showing.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, that's the thing. You guys better tell me if I'm doing something wrong. Okay, so let's start some scripting. So why we need scripting? Huh? So there are some things like this website Worldometer. This is quite a nice website about the world population stuff. And when you see here, see top 20 largest country by population. Let's talk about the all countries. See all countries. Okay, now I have something here. I have a whole list here. This list is quite long, nearly 234. So if I ask anyone to, okay, I need all the data of this list, I want to perform some numerical operations on this list. So find me this data, I mean fetch me this data. So what you guys are gonna do? Some new approach, just type everything. Some little bit pro approach, okay, you can use Tabula or you can use some Excel stuff. Okay, there is one more thing. You can directly import, you can directly scrap it. Since this website is dynamic, it is changing time to time because population is continuously changing. So what you can do, you can write a scraping script. You can run it now, and whenever you want again, you can run it again. Scraping is quite fast. So yeah, sometimes we don't even look at the website. We can just have a scraping. We just have our script, and we can run that script, and we will find all the details there. So for now, I'm gonna work on very some simple. So this is
I
the
have a
simplest.
small question here. Sorry to interrupt you here.
Yes.
So, for example, like you showed a website, you just need that table, right?
Yes.
And it doesn't matter how do I get it. If I get that table in Excel in 2 minutes, that's it, right?
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Okay.
But okay, there is one more thing. You can also work on dynamic website with the help of scraping. And sometimes your website is so long, it has lot of content and lot of pages. Then using scraping is the best tool. And you can also automate it. Let's say if there is, okay, all the websites are here, but there are some websites which have next, and when you click on the next, you can see another table on the next page. So you can automate this stuff too, which you cannot do in Excel. Okay, so that's why website is quite scraping is quite powerful stuff. Okay, so let's this is our simplest website, so we are not working here. You can close it. Let's work on the Wikipedia. Okay, so for scraping, I will use Beautiful Soup. So everyone, please do it with me, otherwise it will be quite confusing. Just open a collab file. Just type collab. Just type collab and enter, and you will see this collab stuff. Just open it. Yeah, okay, and here you will see some new notebook. Click on the new notebook. Okay, so are you guys, everyone, able to open this stuff? You can remove this release note. Important thing is rename your notebook. So let's call it June 24. Okay, this is for my idea. You guys can rename it whatever you want. Okay, so how many of you are, this is your first time using Google Colab? I hope some of you are already familiar with Google Colab, correct? Okay, Sahil knows about Google Colab. Krishna also. Okay, Krishna knows about Google Colab. Nice. And okay, so it's nice. Okay, so in Google Colab, we can use 3 different language: Julia, R, and Python. But let's stick with Python since we are going to work on in Python. So here we are going to import some library. So there are 2 important library which we are going to use. One is request and second is Beautiful Soup. So let's import these library. You can also work in your local system without using Google Colab. You can use Jupyter if you don't have internet, but using Colab is better because all the library are pre-installed here. Let's do it. Import request. This is requests S, not simple request, requests. Then you need to use beautiful soup from BS4. BS4 is the main repository. There you can find beautiful soup. Import beautiful soup. And now here is something which you need to pay attention. This is beautiful soup and S is capital here. I personally like to run each cell time to time. So if you have any problem, you can just click on this play button. It will run. It will take some time. It will connect to Google server and then it will start running. So I personally like to run each cell time to time. I mean, no need to write the whole code in a single cell. You better write your code in a different cells and run all of cells one by one. So you can find where is the mistake. Okay. So import requests. Now let's talk about what is the request, what is the beautiful soup. These are some ready-made library for Python. With the help of requests, you can just give it a URL and it will bring all the data, all the HTML data or all the content, text content in your Python notebook. Okay. What is beautiful soup? Beautiful soup is just to beautify whatever is there. I will discuss about it very soon. Okay. Now let's talk about the URL. We need URL. If I want to go to any website, so what I need URL. So let's pick the URL from here. Simple copy and paste it here. URL. Okay, now I have a URL and I want to run this URL. How can I run this URL? I want every data, whatever in this website. So let's call it data. Data is equal to requests requests dot get. See, I just call this library here requests. Then I just use dot get. Get is a function. I am just using this function. Inside this function, I am saying use URL, whatever URL I defined earlier. And now I am gonna run this. I want to see this data, so I'm gonna run this cell. Let's see. It is showing me response 200. What is the meaning of response 200? Let's check.
It's the status code. That means
Yes.
you ping the website and it sends you the response. That's
Yes,
why it's 200. Okay.
Yeah, it is showing 200. 200 means it is working fine. Okay. Whatever URL you are sending to the server, it is valid. Server has the stuff related to this URL and it can send you back. Okay. So that's the stuff here. So, but I cannot see my content. Where is my content? So let's talk about content. Data dot content.
Excuse me, Amit.
Yes.
For the second statement, data equal to requests.get URL, I am getting an error. It says name requests is not defined.
Okay. I will tell you about it. Just give me a few minutes. I will tell you about it. Okay.
Now it's working. It seems that I hadn't run the cell before where I'd imported it.
Yeah, that's some important stuff. I will discuss it very soon. But just let me show one thing. This data.content. Let me run it. And here is something. Here is the whole HTML of that website, which was there in my browser. This is the whole HTML content. As you guys can see, this is quite huge. And this is quite ugly also. I cannot read it. Okay. So since it is ugly and I want to make it a little bit more readable, so I will use beautiful soup. Okay, but for now, let's review what I did. As you guys can see, you can see some familiar name, Nand Dynasty, and maybe something Magad will be here, Magad Kingdom. So I'm sure that this is the same page which I was looking for. Now let's talk everything one by one. What I did, I import requests library. Then I request beautiful soup library. Pay attention, spellings are really important. Then I define a URL because if I want to look a website, then what I need its address, which is URL. Then I define this variable data. How I define it? I just write the name of my library. Inside this library, I have a function called get. I am not gonna go inside much about the get and stuff. It has a logic why it is called get, but leave it for now. And inside this get, I just write my URL. Okay. I already defined my URL. I can simply give my URL here. I can remove it and I can write this stuff here. Okay. and it will still work the same. But let's make our code little bit clear. So use some variables, and when I click data, it show me response 200. The meaning of it, response 200. Okay, my URL is good, everything is good, this stuff exists in the server, and if I want to bring it, I use another function method called content. Okay, I already defined my data here. When I write data.content, it brings me all the content here. Okay, now let's talk about, someone was asking me some problem. Key request.get is not working. Why it happened? You need to run everything in the sequence. You cannot run this cell first and after this cell. No, you cannot do it. First, you need to bring this library in your system, in your notebook. Then you need to define this URL. Only then you can use request and URL, because you already bring it in your Python notebook. You already define your URL. You cannot just change the sequence of the stuff. Okay, you cannot use data.content without defining what is the data. First, you need to define the data. Only then you can work on the data.content. So this is the first phase, how to bring website stuff in your Python notebook. I'm gonna stop here for a few minutes, or maybe for a few seconds. You guys tell me if you guys have any problem. Just open up your mic and ask me if you guys have any problem. Very basic stuff. Yes,
The
Amit.
meaning of the what is the meaning of the response data request 200?
Huh? What?
When we write the data, when we
Uh-huh.
write the data in the second line, and the response is 200.
Okay. Okay. I just discussed it. So, but once again, let's say I don't know about it. So what can I do? I can always use Google. Just type response 200 here, and now you can read. Just read yourself. Amit, you better read it loud. Amit, you can open your mic and read it.
The HTTP 200 OK success status response code indicates that the request has succeeded. A 200 response
Okay,
is
that's enough. That's enough. That's the thing. That's the thing. Here are the two or three keys. First is OK success. Okay, which means whatever I was asking, that request is succeed. Now look here. What was my request? My request was get me everything about this URL. Okay, now let's talk a little bit about get. So if I go into the inspector element, see that the thing is, whenever I send any URL, that URL, this URL is the address. It just went from my system, my browser, to server. It hit the server, and then if that URL is valid, then my server sends some information. Okay, let me show you. See, can you see something here? It is get, and what is here? 200. Okay, which means whatever the URL I am sending, it is getting me lot of information, and that URL is good. It server has all that information, so it is 200. Okay, is it clear, Amit? Or anyone else who has the problem? Amit, you there?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Clear?
I
Yeah.
thumbs up. Yeah,
Just no need to thanks. Just you can call me Amit. We both have the same name.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So okay. Yeah. So that's the stuff here. Now let's talk about. I hope everyone understand it. Now let's look at it. This looks messy. I cannot even read it. I can see some tag here. This is li tag. What is the li tag? What is the li tag? Who's gonna tell me? What's the li tag? List.
List.
List tag.
Nice.
List
This is
index.
a tag. I can see some stuff here, but this stuff is very messy. I cannot even read it. So let's use beautiful soup. Let's beautify it. So how can we beautify it? So first, I need to define my beautiful soup. Okay. So it's better to define all of your library earlier, but okay, let's define it here. We already import beautiful soup. So just call it SOUT soup and define it. How can I define it? There is a structure of defining any library. First, we need to write the name Beautiful. Mind the spelling soup, SOUT soup in capital. Okay. Then what I want to beautify. I want to beautify this stuff. And what is this stuff? What is this stuff? This stuff is data.content. I am lazy, so let me copy paste. And here is my beautiful soup. So I want to beautify data.content. But how can I beautify it? Okay, let me run. Let me try. Let me try. Maybe it will throw some error. Okay, I am lucky it is not
Could
throwing
just
some error.
dump it.
Yeah.
Could just dump it.
What, Shane?
I said if you just print soup, it would just dump the whole
Yes.
HTML code. But if you have to use Prettify to make it look better.
No, but look at it here now. Since it is already very well structured, see, there is a very clear difference. It is like a very messy line by. I mean, there is no indentation, nothing. But here you can see the proper indentation. I mean, not indentation, but you can see, okay, there is a one tag and it is closing properly. It has some structure. But yes, if you want to make it more better, you can use Prettify. But once again, since this is a first session, I'm not going to confuse everyone. So let's leave it. But there is one thing which I was expecting. I was expecting an error here. Why? When I define beautiful soup, so first thing, soup is just a variable. What I want inside soup, I want this function, this library beautiful soup to work. On which thing? I want to work it on data.content. And there is one more thing. There is one thing called parser. So
HTML.parser.
HTML.parser. There are three parser which we generally use. One is HTML.parser and one is LXML. I prefer LXML. And second thing is HTML5lib. Yes. Okay. So what is the parser? So parser means when you have this content here, and you know this content is in HTML, but it is not in very much readable format. It is not in very much structured format. So what parser do? Parser just provides some kind of structure. Okay, you can use any parser, HTML.parse, LXML, or HTML5. I prefer LXML parser because I can also use it on XML's file. But for now, just ignore it. Just use HTML parser. Since this website is already very well structured, parser, sorry, my mistake, PERSER, parser. Since it is already very well structured, so you guys can see, okay, this is the stuff here. Okay, so I hope everything is very much clear. You guys can see there are lists. There is anchor tag. Okay, that's what I want, and you guys can see. Okay, just quick check. How many of you already able to do it? I insist that you guys work with me.
Can you show the uppermost part of the code?
Yes, please. Just try to understand it. If you guys have any, see, just copy pasting the code is not enough. You can find everything on the online. If you guys have any doubt why something is there, please ask me.
Excuse me, Amit.
Yes.
I did not see any significant difference in the output after adding HTML parser. So what's the point of adding that?
Sometimes this website is since already very well structured, so it doesn't make any difference here. But sometimes our websites are quite messy, so there that HTML parser made some difference.
I think it is chosen by default, I think, in the function.
Yeah, that's also true. That's also true. Yeah, maybe. So let's say last term there was XML files. So when we were working XML file, then this thing is not working. Then we need to add some parser here. Then I use this parser, LXML. It's a good practice to add your parser. Okay. Just tell everyone that you guys are on the same status.
Yes.
Okay, I need 2-3 more yes man. Some and not Naren, not Shayan, not few other knowledgeable guy.
Yes.
Everyone who is doing this first time.
Yes.
Nice. 2-3 more,
Yes.
man. Come on. Yeah,
Yes.
that's the spirit. Okay. Now let's do something interesting. Now I want to pinpoint something. What I want to pinpoint. You guys tell me what you want to see as a pinpoint. Someone who haven't opened your mic yet, tell me what you want to pinpoint. Let's okay. Let me choose something. Okay, let me choose something
Uh,
tough.
Actually, I have a question.
Yes, please.
When we write HTML part for this website, say this Magad web page, we also code the CSS file, where we say that source is somewhere else, not in this, same HTML file, the style sheet basically.
Yes, 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 yes.
So that is also downloaded when we use Beautiful Soup and parsing.
I don't think so because I cannot see it anywhere. It is not downloaded here, but the attributes, all the attributes which we are going to see this class, maybe this is a part of your styling sheet. So you can see these class stuff here, but it is not. First thing, it is not downloading anything. Okay. Once I
In
am gonna
brow-
close,
mm,
yeah.
in
Once I'm gonna,
brow- Sorry.
yes. No, no, no. Please continue. Please continue. My bad.
In browser it is, or means suppose we write inline styles and also apply styles from another CSS file. So based on the priority, it is applied which one is more important and which is not.
Okay.
Am I able to explain my question?
Not very. I mean, maybe you explained very well, but I am not able to understand.
Suppose we are creating a website
Okay.
and we decided that instead of putting all the styles CSS in the same HTML file, we make another CSS file for only style sheets.
All right.
Okay, so the browser downloads it and displays all the colorful
Yes. Yes. Yes.
styles.
Yes.
So is the same process taking place when we parse it, or means scrape the website? Or
No. No.
okay.
It brings only on the HTML content here. And the thing is, that's why you are not seeing anything stylish here. It is just a plain simple HTML skeleton. Okay. And the second thing is, since the classes, whatever we define in CSS, we write all those classes in our HTML code, like maybe I can't see anything here, but maybe something must be there. Let's say this column span, row span. I don't know if it is CSS classes, but it has all those classes and attribute here. So if we want to find anything on the base of attribute, we can find it. But we don't have all that styling stuff in it. It is just a plain HTML skeleton. Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks.
No need to thanks, man. It's kind of my duty. So
No,
yeah.
I was stuck with this doubt for some time.
Okay. Okay, yeah, where I was. Okay, so let's pinpoint something. Let's find something here. I want to find this table, and specifically inside this table, I want to find this Chatrajas and this 265 to 255. I want to find this thing. How can I do it? Okay, here I have a whole HTML stuff. So somewhere inside this HTML stuff, I have my desired content. But how can I find it? First thing, there are two things which I want to discuss: find and find all. Okay, so just use it. Since I already defined soup, SOUP soup, there is a function in soup called find, FIND find. Inside find, if I'm gonna write any tag, let's say a tag, okay, and I'm gonna run it, it will give me something. It gives me something. A class MW jump link. But you can say there are a lot of A tag, and everyone has some different content inside it. Okay, see this thing. Then why it only give me this something very jump to content stuff? Why? Once you look at the page, you will find it. It must be here, jump to content. But okay, leave it. We will find it here. Whenever we use find, it only gives us the very first occurrence of our tag. Okay, here, let's check, there must be something. The very first occurrence of a tag, I need to look at it manually. okay, is somewhere above, but that's the very first occurrence. Okay, so that's the thing. So whenever you are gonna type anything, let me type table, 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 and let me run. See, so let me just check if this table is the first or not. So what is the table? This table is about Kikata Kingdom. Okay, title is Kikata Kingdom. Let me check. Is Kikata Kingdom here? Something titled as Kikata Kingdom. Okay, this is TD, and what is the name of the table? Oh, I need to scroll it first. Magad, simple Magad. So this Magad, this is Magad, and this Magad table is my first. There are a lot of table in this page, 1, 2, 3, 4, lot of table, but it is giving me very first occurrence. Okay, is it clear or not? So I am just gonna write any attribute, not attribute. I am gonna just write any tag here, and I can find the first occurrence of that tag. Okay, you guys better try it, and let me check one more
Sir,
thing.
one doubt. Only tag we can find there, or even the contents also you can see whatever inside. Only tag or anything other things like
Just
Kingdom
look.
of Magad. If you write, can it find?
See, just I just wrote here table, and it give me the all data about the table, and this data also have everything, the magad, whatever the content inside it. Okay, it is giving me the everything. See here, this is magad. Let me show, let me inspect, and when I click on this table, this magad, this table, okay, this table, this is table body. So whatever is there, whatever everything is there, you can see it. Magad colon span 2 class info box, and you can see it here, this class info box colon span 2 and Magad. Okay, so when I wrote this thing table, sorry, I just changed the image, table. So when I write this table here, so it just fetch me everything about this table, this very first table. So whatever inside this table uh, tag, everything is here. Okay, if I'm gonna write image, img image, so which is the first image, and we can see this image is the first, or maybe this logo is the first. Let's see. Okay, Wikipedia logo is the first. So it give me everything, all the detail about that logo. See, if I'm gonna point on this logo, you can see the same thing. Image, MW logo icon, static image icon, Wikipedia PNG. Okay. MW logo icon, static image icon, Wikipedia PNG. Is it clear, everyone? So how can we find anything from the tag? Just a simple find keyword. Try it and tell me if you guys can able to find anything. Anyone? Are you trying?
Yes, it's working.
Yeah. Tell me. Okay, just come on, man. 2 or 3 more years or some type of show some excitement. Or is this session is quite boring, huh?
Excuse me, sir. Where is the
Yeah.
find option in the inspect?
Okay, find is not an option. Find is a function. Find is a method.
Oh, okay.
So we command our soup. We are telling our soup to find this thing. Okay. So find is a method, inbuilt method for the beautiful soup.
Is it the same as find all?
There is a little different. There is a little difference. I will discuss find all. First, I need at least one yes or yep or whatever you guys want to express your confirmation. At least 4 or 5. Okay, Amit is there. Prinka is there. Shiksha, Shri, Shayan, Shivani is really nice, man. Nice. Thanks. Vedant. Okay. And you guys are never gonna learn, huh? Calling me sir every time. Okay, fine. Okay. Now we just noticed about the anchor tag, and this page is filled with anchor tag. All those blue colored stuff is anchor tag. But when I wrote anchor tag here, I got only one occurrence. This is not what I want. I want all. So let's try. Soup dot find underscore all bracket same aim. Let me run. Yo. And here is quite a nice collection of all the tags, man, huh? So yeah. So once you write find all, you will find everything. You will find all the occurrence of that tag. You guys can see. This is my first tag. See, this is my first tag. A class MW jump link body content jump to tag. Yeah, it's here. But we have all the contents here. And one important thing. I suppose all of you are expert in Python. So anyone gonna tell me which type of data type will this function will give me?
List.
Okay, who is saying list? Who is saying list?
Aditya.
Aditya is saying list. Okay. First run it and then tell me, man. I mean, something happened. This need is separated. Okay, Aditya is saying list. What about other people? You guys have no opinion? Okay, Aditya, since you are saying it's a list, so can you tell me how many A tags are there in my whole page? I am pretty sure that count. You guys are gonna count manually. Come on, man.
No.
You can do len of that.
Length of
Nice, perfect. Okay, first I will discuss it very soon. Of course, Shan knows it. But first, everyone, please just tell me if you guys are able to understand the find all tag or not.
Yes, we are.
Nice, perfect. See,
I am at least.
now look at very carefully. This is a square bracket, and we use this square bracket in the length. Okay, so if I'm gonna ask which type of data set is this, then it will give me list. Just do it. Some basic Python here. Type bracket this, and it will give me a list. Why it is not working? Okay, I need to wrote type dot. Okay, maybe I'm doing something
We
wrong.
have to type equal.
No. Achha, okay, type equal. Then type bracket this. Then type.
You could just print type that, no? You could do that because type is a keyword. You just can't write type equals type of that. You need to get something else, you know.
So I don't know why I'm not.
It's a type underscore one or some.
Yes.
You can do that.
So this thing will give me. Okay.
What you did before was correct.
So why it is not working? I just want to find the data type here.
So
Or
you
maybe
can write type within brackets this len like soup dot find all within single quotes image.
This would work, but type equals that thing won't work because type is a keyword. You just
but
can't fit a
I
keyword
remember in
into it.
Python it just give us something in the angular bracket data type or something. Why it is not giving it here? This is simple Python.
Actually, in collab, last line gets rendered. That's why you need to give print first.
Okay.
Then it will show.
Okay, yeah, that's also true. Yeah. Okay, it's still not working, but okay, leave it. But you guys got the idea. This is a type, and now I was asking, okay, since it is a list, so how can I find how many attributes not attributes, how many anchors are there? So let's do one thing. Just write len function inside it. I'm just gonna write it, and let's see how many anchors are there. 1307, huge number, massive. Okay, which is expected from a Wikipedia page. So now you guys can see. If I'm gonna ask anyone, let me ask Amit, how many anchors are here? Maybe Amit gonna start counting it, but no need to do it, and you can do it very easily here. So I hope everything is very much clear. What you guys say? Okay. Any doubt? No. Yes, please.
Can we use no tag but use class only in find
Yes,
all?
we can use class only without any tag. We will try it. Okay, we will try it soon. I will just do it after some time. But first, let's play with it a little bit more. Okay. So I hope everyone got about this tag. Now there is one thing. Yes,
Yeah.
someone. Please, if you guys don't have anything to us, then please, Naren sir, it was not expected from. Okay, let me abuse my power. Okay. Okay, there is one thing which I want to discuss. Okay, when I print here find A, then it is giving me everything, but I want only this content. Okay, so what can I do? What can I do? I can type C soup dot find inside A tag. When I run this A tag, I find this whole whatever inside this A tag from end to end when we open this A tag and when we close this A tag. But I don't want it. I want only which type of statement or which type of text is there. So what can I do? I can just use dot text. And here I have a text jump to content. Okay, is it clear? So this is one more function for you or method dot text. Okay, now here things we can make things a little bit interesting. If I ask someone, any one of you, okay, I want all those words which are the link in this page. Okay, let's say kingdom, empire. I don't want whole text. I don't want whole this HTML stuff. I just want kingdom, empire, Mahajanpad, second urbanization. I just want all these words. So how can you do it? Who's gonna? Okay, just try it yourself and tell me the answer. Just show me the answer. Is it clear? My question is clear.
Can you explain one more thing?
Okay. See, when I write soup.find inside a tag, then I got this whole HTML content which is inside this tag from the start to end. Okay. But I don't want this HTML stuff. I don't want this confusing stuff. What I want, I only want what is the content of that tag. So I use dot text. When I use dot text, it just gives me the important content, jump to content. This is the language, this is the English which I want. Now my question is, in this page, there are 1,307 anchor points, links. But I don't want all those href and class and this stuff. I just want these words: kingdom, empire, Mahajanpad, Bihar, Eastern Ganga Plain. I want these words. So how can you write? How can you write a code which can give me the list of these words, not this whole HTML part? So who's gonna tell me?
We have
So
to
you can
loop.
find the
Okay,
Yeah, go ahead, sir.
Shane, not you. Let other people. Who's the other person?
We have to loop over after using find all.
That's a great idea. That's a great idea. We can loop
For
it.
loop or something.
Now let's go back to the Shane. Shane, now your opinion.
so firstly we need to understand which divs or whichever tags they are in, and then which classes they are using. So we can use that a dot that class, and then we can use dot string, and we can use find all, and that would give us that, the list formation.
Yeah, that's a better way because but like okay, let's go with the noob approach. What the first person told, he just since we have everything in a list, so we can do one thing. We can create a loop, we can create a for loop, and we can just write text there. Okay, let's try it. If it will not work, then we will discuss about class, and then we will try to find something related to class. Then we can apply Shane's method, which is more effective. But first, just try to use a for loop and try to see if we can got all the text or not. Okay, I am stop sharing my screen. You guys better do it yourself and let me try myself. Okay. Aditya sent a message. Length of the list is 25. Aditya, format it's 1,307. Priyanka is asking, can we write find all without underscore? I don't think so, Priyanka. It is a fixed type of function.
It is working, but it is showing everything from the page, including small links also.
Okay. Okay. So it is more effective. Let me try. I never tried it.
We can just use for loop and do the dot text, right?
Yes, that's the basic idea. We can do it. Actually, that capital A is also working without underscore capital A. It is working, and I am not able to find what's the difference. Okay, this is my first time when I see this capital A.
So, excuse me, I got the names, but I also got one link also.
Can you please repeat? Your voice was breaking.
I got the names that has the link that we were searching for, uh,
Mm-hmm.
but I also got one link also. Even though I only mentioned dot text, but I also got one link among those words.
Okay, okay. Maybe it's a possible. It's a possibility. Because not all the anchor tag are very straightforward. Maybe some anchor tag has another something inside it. So we will check it. We will check it. What about the other people? You guys able to write a code?
Yes, I can. I read the
Okay.
code.
Okay. So anyone want to share your screen, or maybe Shane want to share his screen, or anyone else? Okay, leave the Shane. Shane, I know Shane already done. Anyone else want to share your screen and show us your code?
Can I share my
Yeah, yeah,
screen?
of course, Shivani. Anyone,
Okay.
just feel free to discuss stuff here.
Oh, is the screen visible?
Yes, yes, it is visible. Yeah, I can see. Okay, man. Nice, nice. Good work, Shivani. Yeah, just show me your code.
Sorry, that list is getting long.
It's fine, man. It's totally fine.
Just did that.
Okay, yeah, good. Yeah, nice, nice.
But I'm also getting these um
Yeah, there are some link I noticed. Huh?
and these 2 3 number
Yeah,
and
these two three because they are the hypertext. They are the link. We generally use it during the index when we give the reference now. So for the reference, we use this square bracket and 1 2. So it's fine.
this link also.
Yeah, that's the link. I also got this link. So I don't know why, but let me check it, and we will find it soon.
Okay,
Anyone
can
else?
stop sharing.
Yes, yes, Shivani. Thanks, man. Anyone else want to share your screen, or anyone else know the answer? Carton, maybe you know about this link, why this link is showing, or anyone, Shayan, Naren.
I
We'll
can
have
see.
to inspect that particular A tag and check.
Yes, yes.
But I suspect it's a sort of link within a link,
Yeah,
where an A
that's
tag is.
my that's the first thought, but let's check.
Amit, I want to ask Why there is a space between these two?
Okay, maybe there is some link which doesn't have any text. Lots of link doesn't have any text. They are simple link. They have they are href but no text. So maybe it's a possibility. So the best
I
thing,
mean,
if
am
you,
I audible?
yes, you are audible.
Why there is a space between these two?
Yeah. So my hypothesis is maybe there is no text in that anchor tag. So we can do one thing. We can inspect it manually. Let me check. World population prospect. You better find it this world population prospect in your page, and let's check it manually. Okay, you are using this website. Nice, nice. Go to the inspect element and find that word population prospect. Just copy paste it. Okay, just go to inspect element. Yes, and insert element. Just click anywhere in the upper pan.
I got a different answer for this. No, what was you discussing? Like,
Mhm.
what was the question? I was away for some time.
Okay. Oh man, if you are away. Okay. Okay. Just we will talk to you just in a second. Yeah.
No, I
It's
was seeing your that language, China, Japan, and all. Like in my thing, it is not coming.
okay. So it depends which website you are parts scraping. So in the Wikipedia there are some different language option also. So that's why. Okay. Sahil. So just do one thing.
Yes.
Go to your notebook where you are writing scraping code.
Yes.
Copy this. Okay. Copy this word population prospect.
This.
Yes. Copy this. Okay, and go to that wordometer, click on that inspect element top pan and just press Control F. Okay, you see this. Yes, yes, type it. That, not type, just, yeah, copy paste and click enter.
It's not working yet.
It is not working. Okay, let me check another method. Okay, find some.
You have to search in the, not in that particular window. You have to search in the one above it.
Okay, so he was searching. Okay, I was not able to find it.
Here is the link.
It is showing something.
Yes, here is
Okay,
the link.
it's here.
It's
Okay, just go down a little bit on the main page. Just scroll down.
it's bottom.
Okay. So maybe it's because of that ad, because that ad itself is a link, but it doesn't has any text. It is just an image. So maybe because of it. I mean, this is my hypothesis. I don't have any strong answer. This is just a hypothesis, and I need to. This is a good question. We will check it. Okay. Anyone else? Shahil, you can stop showing your screen. Anyone else want to share your screen, or anyone else has any other problem?
Amit, if you don't mind, I have a question.
Yeah, please
Like,
ask.
not related to the question. Like, what else do we have a plan today to cover?
uh, Everything about the scraping. We discuss about the tag. Now I will discuss the class. We already discussed about the loop, and if we
Okay.
get chance, then we will get discuss. Okay, we don't have chance. It's already 10. Okay, I am just gonna discuss about the class. Then we will end our session.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, the link that was appearing, it was actually displayed to none. That's why it was not showing on the website, but on the for loop we saw the link.
Okay. 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 Nice. Okay. So one more thing. Let's talk about the attributes. So we know about the how to find anything with the help of tag by strings visible, right? So now let's talk about the with the help of attribute. So if I have some specific attribute and I want something with the help of that attribute, then how can I find it? Okay. Okay, so first tell me, is everything is clear about that finding with the tag? Clear?
Yes.
Okay, so let's try finding stuff with the help of attribute. So what happened when we need to, okay, let's, I want to talk about something. Just make anything simple. Let's talk about this geography. Maybe it has some attribute. Yes, there is attribute. Class MW headline IIT geography. Okay, we will talk about this class. So see, whenever we talk about attribute, so it is a possibility. See, we just did tag, and there's not a possibility, it's very much certainty that there are not a single occurrence of a tag. There may be, and mostly yes, there are lot of repetition of a simple tag. Like we have 1307 a tag. So there is also a possibility that we have lot of occurrence of the class. So what we generally do, what is the standard practice is, we first pick a tag, inside it we use class. Okay, so this is a normal or more efficient practice. We first pick the tag, which tag we are looking, and then inside it we look for the class. Okay, so let's try it. So I am looking for this span and then class. Ignore, you can ignore the previous tag, span and class. So for easy, let me copy paste it. Copy and just let me paste it here. And let me call it a comment. Okay. Now I'm gonna write soup dot. I am looking span. So span. Okay. After just put a comma, and then we need to make a dictionary. Dictionary is about class. And what is the class? Class is MW headline. I don't know if it is correct. It's been quite a one term since I use it. So let me try it. Let me run. It is showing some error. Oh, just okay here. Okay, it is working. It is working. So the thing is, what I can see here, I can see these are the tags. These are the span tags which have class MW headline. Okay. So now we can pinpoint something: geography, history, Buddhism, Jainism, religious site. So if I'm right, all of these sites, all of these outputs are some kind of title. So let's see geography. After it, history. There was some Jainism stuff. Yeah, Buddhism and Jainism, language. Okay, is it clear? That's how. If I'm gonna use simple span, so maybe you can see the difference. Let me change it. I'm just remove it, and I'm gonna click the span. So dot find all span. Now you can see there will be lots of span. Okay, lots of span, more than few number. Okay, see, you can see more than previous number spans are there. But if I'm gonna put that class stuff, then we can pinpoint it little bit more. Span and just put class. Now you can see I am able to pinpoint stuff. These are some few very specific class. Now the question
Uh,
is, yes, someone was asking something.
excuse me
Yes.
a minute. Supposedly, if we have multiple classes that start with MW headline,
Mhm.
and we want to find all the elements that start with that class specifically, how should we write it here?
Okay, so you want to remove the tag. Okay. So let me try. Let me try. I don't know if I will be able to write it. This is a quite a new question for me, but let me try. So let's do one thing. Let's remove the tag. Let's play with it. Just remove this dictionary, remove the tag, and let me run. I don't know if it's there. Okay, it is. It is showing some problem. So let me create the dictionary again. And what now? Okay, it is not giving me anything. I don't know why. Or maybe it means there are a lot of stuff, but it is not showing. Let me print text. It is showing some error. Or once, let me try content. Okay, now at this point, I don't know how to find it. So let me Google it.
No,
Okay.
for this, when you showed, it shows a empty list, no? So
Yes.
it doesn't have anything. That's why it is showing empty list. So
Yeah,
that is different list. Different
but
way we have to try that.
okay,
You have to say find soup
okay.
soup dot
Let's,
find.
yeah, that's also true. It is not throwing error, but it is also not giving me some
You remove that this thing, no?
dictionary.
Flower brackets, yeah.
Yes. Uh, Maybe equal sign.
So
Okay,
what was
no.
class equal to you cut and paste from the above, no? Class
Sure.
equal to yeah. You
See,
you are having one single quote also after class.
okay, maybe I need to remove this class code.
No, sir. I mean, from above you can cut it. Okay, okay.
Okay,
Class equal to double quote, no space.
no space, no space for class.
Is there any specific identifier for any tag we can
The
use?
quote it
No,
should be
actually.
within quotes, no?
There,
Whatever.
there is actually. There is actually. If you want to do that, then you have to first say the tag name, then dot class, then dot the class name or something. I think that was the syntax for that. If you want to
No,
specify that.
but if we want to search any tag, and is there any identifier for that? For example, asterisk or something.
If you want to search for any tag, then yeah, we never tried it.
But for tags, we have, right? For tags, we just say tag name over there.
Yes.
But if you want to specify,
Shane, her question is, see here I will after the inspecting the element, we know that there is span, and inside span we have the class because there are a lot of span. Her question is, what if we don't want to use span? So is there any method that we can use only class, and we can find how many tags are related to that class?
But
That's
again, now my counter question would be, how can you do that? I mean, let's say there is something. I mean, it's a hypothetical, not hypothetical. It's a very weird thing to answer. I mean, why I'm saying weird? If I ask you which came hen or the egg, it's something like that, right? So it's kind of baseless if you are searching for classes only, because the classes are specified for a specific tag, right?
But if you don't know the tag,
so let's say span, we have a class.
and you just want to search the whole document, then what would you do?
But we can do one thing now. Let's say if I create a class for the style purpose, and I want to see in how many instances, in how many places I use that specific styling, then I don't know about the tag, but I know about the class.
We can
at this point,
loop over one by one all the kind of tags. In place of span, we can use a dictionary or list.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
So there would be class underscore. Just try class underscore. I think that would work.
Okay, just tell me the soup bracket.
Just class underscore equals that thing.
Class underscore
equals to within quotes.
Okay, that MW
class name. That one. Just try that one. I actually misunderstood her question again, so later I understood. Okay, right.
Nice, man. Perfect. Okay, yeah.
See? This is working.
But wait, this is the same. Okay. I mean, we got the answer, but the thing is, they use this class only for this specific tag. So the answer is same. But okay, we solved one mystery. That's thanks to Shane, and thanks to.
Oh, thank you so much.
Okay, what's your name, man? I also need to thank you because you just teach us something new. Okay, she's not telling us our name.
This is one of the. This is there in one of the graded question actually.
Okay, man. Okay, so for the graded question, you can find it in different manner, but okay, it's here. Okay, so let's continue. We are already way past than 2 hours. Our recording is going very long. So the thing is, you guys got the idea. We can search anything with the help of tag, and with the help of, if we want to pinpoint something, we can use attribute. I hope you guys are also doing it with me. And let me just try one thing. I want to check if I can use one more. This ID is equal to geography. I just want to check if I can use this thing also. So how can I do it? Since it is already dictionary, So I can write it in dictionary. This ID is equal to geography. Maybe it will throw some mistake, but I just want to check. Okay. And the answer should be only geography. Yes, pinpoint, very fine. So you can see with the help of these attributes, I am able to pinpoint my stuff. Okay, so everyone, this is all from my side for today. Maybe in another session, maybe Carlton will teach you about cookies. Cookies is really important thing. And if you guys want to do anything, then for practice, just try to figure out how to pinpoint something inside a table. Okay, how to pinpoint something inside a table. The hint is you need to use table tag. Then inside it, you need to pinpoint. You need to use tr. You need to find which tr you want. Tr is bracket 1, tr bracket 2, tr bracket 3. Then you need to pinpoint which td you want to pinpoint. Okay, this is a little bit more steps there. But this is all from my side. If you guys have any question, please ask.
Amit, we would be continuing with week 2 in the next session also, like for the other stuff.
Yeah, the thing is, continuing week is really important, and maybe me and
Yeah,
Carlton
that is not my concern. I'm just asking, like, if there are some important topics, would we be continuing with week
Yes,
2
yes.
in the next session also?
See, the thing is, my concern is, and not only me, Carlton concern is, uh, in the ROE, they always ask a question from the web scripting. So you can say your full 50 marks is dependent on the web scripting, maybe more, maybe more. So we really want to discuss web scraping because everything else, lecture may be sufficient, but web scraping, I really want every one of you to have a hand-on practice. So yeah, we will discuss something more. There are 2-3 more topics which we want to discuss.
Yeah, it was a great session. Like when you're doing a hands-on, that was a wonderful experience. And it doesn't matter, like you take 2-3 sessions, but that would be a good thing for ROE.
Okay, yeah, man, thanks. And also important thing, you guys please go through all that optional stuff, especially all those 4 or 5 sessions which we recorded last term. This is the same. If you're joining this session, then they are not important, but maybe if you want. So, okay, anything related to topic, or I think I should close the recording, then we can discuss other stuff. Okay, let me close the recording.